Have a DZE audio file from Audials with DRM protection limiting playback? These secured audio files require specific software to play. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Audials DRM protected audio files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest DZE files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. Users encounter .DZE files when using Audials software to record streaming audio. These files contain DRM, digital rights management protection, preventing them from being played on unauthorized devices. The primary user intent is to find a way to convert these files to a standard format like MP3 for broader compatibility. The .DZE format is a proprietary container designed by Audials AG. It encapsulates the audio stream, often in a standard codec like AAC within a layer of encryption. This binary structure is not publicly documented, ensuring that only Audials software can correctly decrypt and play the content, thus enforcing its DRM scheme. Audials AG defined Audials 1 as the main handler for DZE files. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows supports basic audio functionality, though serious editing requires specialized software. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your DZE file and select Open With. See if Audials 1 is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. When your DZE file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Because the DZE format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, playing in Audials. Install the Audials software that originally created the DZE file. Launch the application and authenticate with your Audials account credentials. Open the DZE file through the Audials interface, which validates the DRM license and enables playback within the application's protected environment, respecting all licensing restrictions. Next, verifying licenses. Ensure your Audials license is current and authorized for the device where you're playing DZE files. DRM protection may restrict playback to specific devices or time periods. Update your Audials installation to the latest version, which includes current DRM components needed to handle properly licensed content. Finally, converting within license. Some Audials versions allow converting DZE files to unprotected formats within your license terms. Use the Audials conversion features to create MP3 versions if your license permits. This enables playback in standard music players while respecting copyright. Never circumvent DRM, as this typically violates copyright law and licensing agreements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagic. Access it at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.